Hi everybody, thank you for joining me. Today we are going to be attempting on this particular build to get this all leveled on the front, and I'm very confident we can do that. This is my very least favorite part of building a guitar. It takes forever and I don't like it. It's not fun, it's boring, it's, oh man, but it's got to be done right. Otherwise you end up with a guitar that's this wide on one end and this wide on the other. Exaggerated, but you get the idea. So what I have done here is I have taken a black marker and I've run the black marker around the top. I did this after I used the plane to bring it down almost to the white line that we drew in the last video. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to sand this thing. So in order to do that, I've got the braces in here. It's really good and tight. It's not moving. I've also put the dog clamps in the vise and brought those in so that this doesn't move. Well, it's got a little bit of play, but not very much. So it's going to be fine. And what we'll do here now is I'm going to show you the sanding disc. The back has an 18-foot radius, and the front, of course, has a 28-foot radius. So this is the back here where you can see the handles. This is a handle right here. I just simply took this. I've got a hole in here. I put it right back into there. I don't know if you can see that. There they are. There's the handle, and I just put it in there. So this is for the back, and this side is for the top. This sandpaper is a 60 grit, and it simply goes onto the guitar like this. And it sits there, and it's going to get moved back and forth. Now, what some people have done, they've actually taken this, put a motor underneath it, geared it down so that it gets a nice spinning thing going here. So they turn this on and this moves. Then they simply take the guitar and set it on top. Now that I would like to do. But honestly, with the few guitars I make, it's not worth the effort. But if I was going to make more, and I don't know how to do that, by the way, I'd have to figure that out, I would end up putting this onto some kind of machinery that would spin it around, and then I could just place that guitar on top of there, and it would just do it beautifully in seconds. But this job, as I mentioned, is my least favorite, driving the bus. And here's what we do. These two pieces are my handles. I just drilled a hole through this piece here, and what this is MDF, and they're glued to the back, two pieces glued to the back like this, and that's what gives me the front and the back. And I marked them on the side so there's no mistaking. And here's what we do, and boy, you're not going to want to hang around for all of this. I'm only going to do a little bit, and then we'll call it a day, and I'll end up finishing all of this. But here's what happens. This is what driving the bus looks like. I like to get my hands in here. You know, we could be here for a month. Okay, we're actually making good progress. This down in here is already starting to get sanded. I can see that. This is being sanded here because this is high and this is high. So this is coming down. This was high, it's coming down. This is coming down. This is all coming down. This is coming down. Oh, this isn't going to take as long as I thought. This is a good day. This is a real good day. Well, what do you say we make this a short video? You see what we're doing here. The next thing I'm going to be doing is putting all the linings in here, and I'll do that after I've sanded all the inside of the guitar, because I want this just nice and beautiful inside, just because we can do it, and this is the time to do it. So what do you say I finish this, and then I'll head up and get a cup of tea and call it a day, and I'll see you. I hope I do. I'll see you in another video. Don't forget to check out the community section. I got a lot of articles up there. You'll want to read some of those and comment on them, and I'll get back to you. And if you like this idea, or you don't like this idea, or you have a better idea, would you please comment in the video down below and let me know. I'm open to suggestions all the time. So thank you very much. Stay safe, and I'll see you in another video. Bye for now.